frequency you all peaking at?
We probably tuned it like 34, I think.
Okay.
34-ish.
Wow.
So basically what we have is the Soundlab Controls. This controls the inside so we can hit any style of music that you want. And it has SD cards that times it out to about 45 seconds when we switch inside. And this is our lights. Let's do a little bit of light show on the inside.
Yeah, I noticed that.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. You can do the iPad, which we downloaded from the internet. We can get any song anyway. Right there on the screen. Play, move it if you want. And then mids and highs in the back door is running 2 8s, 2 tweeters, up to 604, or punch 604. And then each set of the P315s that you'll see are ran off of an individual P1000 amplifier. So this is your 3,600 watts for the whole band. So
really?
Yeah.
It's screaming. Wow.
That's it. So you got your loudspeaker, your 8-inch Punch Pros, and then your Punch Pro tweeter.
Are these components?
No, they're individual, so you can mix match them.
Okay.
6.5, 8, and 10.
Yes, sir.
Then you have the three pairs or 6 of the P315 D4s. Those are all running 1 per pair of amplifiers.
Okay.
What's really cool about this is we sit you inside, we put the headphones on, and you sit inside, and I close the doors up. If it gets a little too much, we have what we call the Tapout Button right here.
Okay.
You hit that, and it kills the...
It'll kill everything.
Kills everything.
Really?
And I
wow.
let you out, so.
Okay.
Same thing on this door. This side here. This is what I get to listen to while driving down the road.
Oh, okay.
Show. So it's got the... it's 2 power amps here, running a pair of 10s off the Power 1000 DD, and then the 602 runs the component sets that are in the dash. So it gives us a little bit of Rockford sound going down the road.
Yes, sir.
So when we pull out, open this up when it gets fun.
Yeah.
So,
it's awesome. Yeah, sure, man.
Yeah.
I would love to.
You gonna finish the video in there?
Yeah, yeah, definitely.
So hop in.
Yeah, man.
Put the headphones on if you like. You don't have to.
Very good. Yeah.
And then remember the Tapout Button. Nobody will make fun of you.
Sure. Tap out. There you go. Awesome, man.
Yeah, that's what we do.
Thank you. What was your name?
I'm Bill Freeman.
Bill Freeman.
Yeah,
Jacob.
local rep here in Florida for Rockford Fosgate.
Okay. Awesome. Thank you for a demonstration and walk around. Sweet.
Lithium, the underground is in the house. I'd like to send a shout out to the whole world. Tonight, oh no, Jesus.
going on, everybody? This is Jacob Viral ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.